What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a NG Models 1/400 scale unboxing video for you guys. There's two models inside of this box, which we'll get to very shortly. But before we get into the video, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell because it really does help support me. And without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the NG Models 1/400 scale. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, let's see. To be truthfully honest with you, I don't know which ones these are, so it'll be, you guys don't know and I also don't know. I do know they're NG, but I don't know which one. If it takes too long to unbox it, I'll just cut it, because, yeah. Let's see. Almost got it. Oh, jeez. I'm so bad at these. I think that got it. Alright, let's see what's in here for today. It just comes with your standard paper. Trash. And then here's the models. The paper for the models should be somewhere in here. Oh, there they are. Okay. Two yellow boxes right here. Here are the two NG models. The top one is the DHL Boeing 737-800 and the registration is N916SC. Then the bottom one is the Spirit Airbus A321 in the standard banana livery. The registration is N681NK. Let's start off with the DHL and then we'll move on to the Spirit. I have been hearing that some people are getting their A321s broken, so that's why I'm going to wait till the end to see kind of how it turns out, I guess. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. First, we'll start off with the box. You have your Boeing 737-Freighter, computer generated model, DHL logo with the registration, which I already went over. Then the NG Models logo with the 1/400 scale die-cast collectible model. And then we have, let's see, let's make sure that's in focus. There we go. Boeing 737-800, computer generated model, registration NG Models. Then I really like how they do the box art here, or the box art here, sorry, where they fade the yellow into the red. That is very cool. Anyway, Boeing 737-800 NG Models DHL. And now it's in the red, so the computer generated model, registration, aircraft NG Models. And yeah, same as the opposing side. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, starting off with the unboxing. I hope I've yet to get a broken I've yet to get a broken NG Models, as most of you know. So I guess my goal is to not break that stride here. So it just comes in your standard plastic covering sheet. You just take off right there, and then that's the plastic covering sheet. Sorry, that's just whatever else. And then we have the aircraft. I'm going to get this out of the way and zoom into the aircraft. In my unboxing videos, I like to show off the front half and then get onto the back half later in the video. So starting off here, we have the cockpit windows with the 3 red stripes going across the aircraft with the DHL logo. Then we have the main cargo door for loading cargo on, and then the L1 boarding door. Underneath that is the first landing gear as well as an antenna. Back here we have the gray engines, as well as the DHL logo continuing on. And I'm not entirely sure if you guys can see this on camera, but right here-ish. Here, let me scoot the model to the back part. So right about there, you should be able to see the imprint of windows. So this was a normal 737-800 converted into a cargo plane. So yeah, along here we have the rest of the imprint of the windows. Then we have the antenna on top, as well as the beacon light, I think is what they call it, with the miniature Wi-Fi box. And then we have the overwing exits right here, which I'm sure they don't use for cargo unless they have to. Then the 3 red lines continue to the back of the aircraft, as well as a few antennas and the main landing gear underneath the winglet, or the wing, sorry. And then, as you can see, well, I'm not going to put in focus, but the winglet right here with the yellow, and then it goes down into the red. And back here is another antenna, as well as the registration, which is in, let me see what it is. It's N916SC, so that is the registration for this aircraft. We'll get on to the tail. Let me scoot it up just a tad. Just like that. Okay, there is the tail. As you can see, it is a mainly yellow tail with the DHL logo on the top. And then the horizontal stabilizers are metal as usual. Some flap design we have right here, you can see. Right there, and then right there. On the bottom, nothing, well, let me zoom out just a tad more. Nothing really special with the bottom, just red and yellow. And yeah, that is the aircraft. We will get on to the Spirit now. Alright, the next aircraft we will get on to is the Spirit Airbus A321-200, which I am praying is not broken. Right here we have Airbus A321-200 in all white text. And then we have the computer generated model. As you can see, excuse me, it does have a lot of detail on the tail just by looking at the computer generated version. Then we have the home of the bear fare, which I guess is their slogan for cheap fares. And we have the kind of digital Spirit logo going across the box and down here where it's like scratched up sort of. Then we have the registration, which is N681NK, as well as the NG logo, which is also scratched out, so I like what they did there. Then 1/400 scale die-cast collectible model. I'm not going to talk about the sides, I'm just going to briefly show them. So you have your Spirit A321 NG models, computer generated aircraft, and you have Spirit NG models, 1/400 scale die-cast model. And then you have this side, which is the same as the opposite side. And then also this one. Now, let's unbox the model. Okay, just had to make sure that it was zoomed out. Okay, everybody say your rips in the chat if it comes broken. If it does, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause it, go, oh, it doesn't look broken. But if it is broken, I'm going to pause the video and go fix it, and then we'll do the review. So here comes your plastic covering with the sheet right there for protective covering. Then you have the aircraft right here, which is not broken. Alright, so we are keeping that streak of not a single broken NG model. Starting off at the front half of the aircraft, we have the cockpit windows right here, as well as the antenna with the L1 boarding door and the landing gear down here. Then we have a few of the big front seats, as they're known, which is their quote-unquote first class. Sorry about that. Then we come a little further, and then we have another door, which is not used for boarding, as I found out the other day in one of my airport update comments. Then we come a little further, and it says Spirit right here in all black with the little like scratched up letters, which I think is a very cool font. Then we have on the bright yellow engines, it says home of the bear fare, which I mentioned earlier is like their advertising of very cheap fares. So basically you get what you pay for. Then we have another door right here just past the wing. As you can see on the wing, it does have very good detail with the flaps. Like all the stuff coming out of the back right there, all the flaps and other stuff. And then we'll just show the bottom. Well, you can't really see the bottom, but yeah, so that is that part of the aircraft. Now if we move back a little further, obviously more windows right here, as well as an antenna, one up here, or two up here, one down there. Then the registration back here, as well as the American flag. And then we'll get on to the tail. Now, as you can see, this tail is different from many of their other aircrafts. It is highly detailed on the back. You can see every single part of the tail with all the slats, and I don't even know if that's what you call it, but all the detail on the back of the tail is very, very good is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I would give this a 10 out of 10, as well as the DHL aircraft. They're both very, very good aircrafts, and yeah, we still have the streak of no broken models, so that is very exciting. We have yet again another perfect NG models unboxing. Fantastic detail as always, and no broken models. So this review consisted of the NG models Spirit Airbus A321 in the banana livery, and the DHL 737-800 freighter aircraft, which is right here. They did a fantastic job on both of these models, which will both get a 10 out of 10 for today's unboxing. If you did enjoy, make sure to smash that like button. Actually, I don't like how that says, so just make sure to like if you enjoyed it. It does help support me. And leave a comment down below of what you guys think of NG models, and if you have gotten a broken model or not. And yeah, we are growing very fast recently, mainly because of my TikTok. I think I've been growing a lot on that platform. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, and if you are new, I hope you consider subscribing after seeing this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be an airport update. Goodbye.